This video walks through setting up the Bifrost wallet securely and correctly from the start. Begin by downloading the official Bifrost Wallet app from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or the verified browser extension page. Confirm the developer name to avoid fake copies. Install the app and open it to create a new wallet. Select Create Wallet and allow the app to generate a new account. A recovery phrase appears next. This phrase controls full access to the wallet and all funds inside it. Write it down offline on paper and store it in a secure location. Do not save it as a screenshot or cloud note. After confirming the recovery phrase, set a strong password and enable biometric security if the device supports it. Once inside the dashboard, add supported networks such as Flare, Songbird, Ethereum, and XRP Ledger if required. Bifrost automatically configures most networks, so manual setup is rarely needed. For Ethereum-based assets, ensure the network is active before receiving funds. Copy the wallet address directly from the app to avoid errors. To fund the wallet, send a small test amount first. Typical network fees range from $1 to $15 depending on congestion. Always confirm the correct network when transferring assets. Sending funds on the wrong network may result in permanent loss. Enable in-app security features including auto-lock timing and transaction confirmations. Avoid connecting the wallet to unknown decentralized apps. Only approve smart contract interactions from trusted platforms. Review permissions regularly and revoke unused approvals. For staking and delegation features, follow the built-in Bifrost options. Staking does not require giving up custody of funds. Rewards vary by network and are shown in dollars and token value inside the app. Keep the app updated to the latest version to benefit from security patches and new features. With proper setup and safe practices, Bifrost Wallet provides a reliable way to manage and grow digital assets securely.